Hey guys, welcome back to Craft County. So I wanted to start a spring series since it is just around the corner. I was trying to look for a few DIYs and some simple home decor crafts. I came across a great tutorial for a craft that can be used in a lot of different places, but mainly as a basket filler if you have some Easter baskets around your house, or if you have some door hangers, or maybe you're into making wreaths. This would make a great addition. So today's project and the start to our spring series is going to be a carrot. And this one is going to be made up from some wood beads, some jute twine, cotton cord, and a little bit of acrylic paint. So to start this craft, you're going to want to paint your beads. I'm using some natural wood beads that I'm going to paint orange and add just a little bit of detail to. But I mean, obviously, if you can find some place that has some orange beads, you can definitely use those. I am also using some jute twine, about 3.5 feet worth, and some cotton cord. I just cut off about a 10-inch piece and unraveled a braided portion, and I'll be using that towards the end. So to start off, you're going to want to fold your jute cord in half and start with the smallest bead that you have and stack the rest on top. I'm just using 5 beads. You're more than welcome to use a little bit more if you want something that's going to be more of a door hanger or something that you just want a little more length to. So now to paint my beads, to make it a little bit easier, I'm just going to be using this wire basket, and I'm going to just attach these onto here. So I just made a quick little overhand hitch here, and then I'm going to tie this end on the other side and start painting. So now I'm just going to be mixing up a few colors, mainly my orange to make the main part of my carrot. I'm gonna add a little bit of yellow, kind of make it a little more muted than this. You're welcome to use any colors that you like, but just going for more of the traditional carrot orange. So after your beads have dried and you have a color that you like, you can go ahead and take that off of wherever you had tied that onto. And now we're just gonna add the green frill or fringe at the top so it looks a little bit more like a carrot. So I'm just measuring out about 5.5 inches, and I think I'll do about 5 or 6 of those just to get that filled out at the top. So I am just hitching that to the top. So once you have a top to your carrot that you're happy with, you can just move your top bead up. I kind of tried to push a few of those knots inside just so it bumps up against there a little more close. And then you just do the same thing and get your other beads lined up and tie a knot at the end. So to tie off the end of my carrot, I'm actually using what is called a diamond knot for it, just because I do have a little bit larger of a hole at the end. If you're interested in learning how to make a diamond knot for yourself, I'll put a link in the description below. So I am just tightening up my knot here a little bit. And once I have that all tightened up, I can snip my ends off and that'll be done. So here's our finished carrot. So I think this is just a great, simple craft to start with, especially for our spring series. It is just a very versatile thing that you can use. It has a little bit of movement, so if you want to use it for a mantle, mantelpiece, or for table decor, it is perfect for that. We're going to be using this as kind of a basket filler in a future tutorial, so make sure you keep an eye out for that. If there are ever any crafts or suggestions or questions you have, make sure you put them in the comments below. Otherwise, thank you for joining us today at Craft County, and I hope to see you next time.